In today's video, I'm gonna give you the top 2 reasons that your insurance is going up and is gonna continue to go up. Let's get after it. Well, unless you've had your head in the sand for the past 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, then you'll have noticed that your insurance premiums, your homeowner's insurance, your auto insurance, are going up. And they're going up big time. We've done a video in the past, and I think it's a good video as to why your rates are going up. And we're going to talk about the insurance carriers are losing money and losses are big and blah, 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 blah. The real reason that rates are going up, in my opinion, have more to do with you and me and how we have treated insurance over the years. And if we want to get insurance rates under control, then we, the collective, are going to need to take some responsibility. So let's look at 1, why your homeowner's rates are going up, and number 2, why your auto insurance rates are going up. So let's start with homeowners. And yes, building prices have exploded. You can't get help to repair things, blah, 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 blah. But what is the real reason that your homeowner's rates are going up? Well, again, we can talk about the fact that carriers are losing money, but really, why is that? It's my opinion, my humble opinion, that the reason homeowners carriers are losing money, the reason that those homeowners rates are going up and will continue to go up, is because of roof claims. Yes, I said it, roof claims. Let's be honest. Who wants to pay out of pocket for a new roof? No one does. It's not like you put new floors in your house and you can see how beautiful those floors are. No, a roof is something that we take for granted. A roof is very expensive and necessary, but I don't want to pay for it. You don't want to pay for it. So who do we want to pay for it? We want the insurance company to pay for it. And I can guarantee you that if you look across the state of North Carolina, across the East Coast, across the entire nation, the majority of times when people replace roofs, the insurance company is writing a check for some or all of it. And let's be honest, most of the time, that roof was probably 15 years old, 20 years old, realistically needing to be replaced anyways. But again, you don't want to pay for it. I don't want to pay for it out of pocket. In fact, of all of my friends, I think I'm one of the few people who's actually paid for my new roof without using insurance. And the fact is, if you go up on a roof, more than likely, you're gonna find some hail damage. If you have or live in an area that has hail, you're gonna have some hail damage. But that doesn't mean that it has taken your roof and made it to where it doesn't do its job any more than simple wear and tear. But it's so hard for insurance companies to go out and prove it. And in fact, there are a lot of insurance companies that will just pay for a roof to be replaced versus going out and going, oh, well, I can see some hail damage. Let's replace this little section. So the insurance industry has a huge issue with hail in roofs, and there's gonna be something done about it by a lot of carriers coming up. We think that a lot of carriers are gonna move to actual cash value settlement, which means they're not gonna replace your roof. They're gonna pay the depreciated cost of your roof and then let you pay the remainder. So it's still better than you paying out of your pocket, but all of those claims that realistically are maintenance are driving your homeowner's rates up and will continue to do so unless you and I change our habits. All right, so let's talk about auto insurance. Auto insurance rates going up, why? Again, we can talk ad nauseum about carriers losing money, cost of claims, supply chain, all that good stuff. Yes, the more losses that you have because cars cost more to get fixed these days, that's a real thing. But let me tell you why I think rates are going up. This right here, not the beard, it's pretty cool, your cell phone. And I'm talking about distracted driving. How many times do you ride down the road now on the highway and look, and someone's doing this, someone's texting, blah, blah, blah. This is something I can't wait until I get home to text about because it's very important and I'm very important. Distracted driving is horrible. Distracted driving is causing more and more accidents, and because it costs more to repair cars these days, the severity of losses is going up. So you've got this perfect storm when it comes to auto insurance rates having to go up because you won't put your daggum phone down and drive. Pay attention to the road. So if you want to start helping rates go down, put this down and drive like you got some sense. Yes, drive like this and make sure you are careful. Distracted driving is crazy. In North Carolina, we have insurance points. You will get 12 insurance points if you get caught drinking and driving or driving under the influence or whatever they call it now. I think you get 8 points if you have a reckless driving. You know how many points you get, insurance points you get, if you're caught texting and driving? 0. There is no repercussions from the Department of Insurance when it comes to regulating texting and driving. All you get is a fine. I think it's like a $250 fine, so it's not chump change. But start charging 12 points if you catch someone texting and driving. That will stop it. End of story. Whew. Sorry guys. Let me come down from berating you and apologize once again. I don't want to be so strict. I don't want to be so stern. But sometimes we have to look in the mirror and take responsibility for what's going on in our world. And we can do that real simply. But number one, if something's wrong at your house, fix it. It's not insurance's fault. And number two, put your cell phone down. There's no need to text and drive. Pay attention, things will get better. I hope this has been helpful. I hope I haven't hurt your feelings too much. And until next time, we'll see you. Whew.